before, my name is Safiyah. Welcome to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. Right there, after I say what Vlogmas Day is, there's gonna be a little clip that I call my intro. That's gonna be playing on every single Vlogmas day. So that's what we're doing today. Today we are filming my Vlogmas intro. It's currently 10 o'clock at night and I just finished getting ready. I did my face, did my makeup to film this little intro here. A little dewy, but not oily. Unless it looks oily. I don't have my glasses on, so I could barely even see myself. So hopefully I don't look oily. But yeah, we're about to film this Vlogmas intro. I already have the idea thought out in my head. Hopefully it gets executed properly. Hopefully it turns out nice and everything goes nice and smooth. I don't know how long this is gonna take, but we're about to find out. Like I said, I just finished doing my makeup. I did not do anything to my hair because A, I was being lazy. And B, technically I don't really need to because we're gonna be putting on a hat. I have a little Santa hat that we're gonna be putting on for the intro to, you know, look a little more festive because my outfit's not really festive, but it's real cute though. So yeah, I didn't do my hair. All I need is the makeup to be done. Everything else, out of sight, out of mind. But let me show you guys the outfit real quick because it is too cute. I'm so excited. Some of my videos will be pre-filmed because this is my first Vlogmas. I'm trying to make it a little easier on myself and not be stressed out by trying to film, edit, and post 25 videos every single day. So about half of these videos are gonna be pre-filmed, but I had to film Vlogmas Day 2, me decorating my room, before Vlogmas Day 1 because Vlogmas Day 1 is this video, the intro, and I have to have the festive vibes in the intro. So that I filmed yesterday, decorated yesterday. Love my room, love the vibes. You guys will see that tomorrow. So excited for you guys to see. I think you guys are gonna love it. But anyways, this is the outfit that we're wearing. I have this like fuzzy white two-piece set. So it comes with like the flare pants with the little cropped t-shirt. And here's our little Santa hat that we're gonna be wearing. It's gonna be so cute. I think it's gonna go with the vibe of the video. And I just love this outfit, honestly. It fits so nice. It's so comfy. This is from Garage, by the way. But this is the fit for the video shoot, photo shoot for the intro. I asked my little sister to help film this for me because obviously I need someone to film it. So I'm pretty much done. I just have to change, put my little hat on. I think I'm gonna have to rearrange the room just a slight bit in order to get the perfect shot for the video. So I think I'm gonna go do that, get ready, call my sister in, and honestly just start filming this intro. So let's go do that. So I'm dressed, I put on my little fit. This is the Vlogmas intro outfit. We got the little Santa hat from the dollar store. You see it. But the outfit. But this is the Vlogmas intro outfit. Little white fuzzy set. It is so cute. This is actually from Garage. If they still have it, I will try to link it down below. But I got this a couple months ago actually, and I've just never worn it. But this is the outfit. It is so cute. I had to move the dresser just to get like the shot that I wanted. Wait, I need to take a picture like that. I am really feeling myself. Like I look too good right now. Too good. I don't even take selfies on the regular iPhone camera, but let's try. Let's see what it's giving. Anyways, we're about to get to filming. We'll see how many takes this takes. We'll see how long it takes to film this. Hopefully it doesn't take too long, honestly. That's pretty much it. We're fully ready. I'm about to go call my sister and let's get straight into filming this intro. Vlogmas Day 1. Let's get it. I'm having technical difficulties trying to figure out how to set this up. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells ring and jingle bells ring. Snowing. Camera angle 1. Oh, well, technically you're camera angle 1. And that's camera angle 2. But okay, you ready? Yep. Let's try. Let's shoot this thing. Why am I nervous? Which way to do this way? You're recording, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. But like as soon as I put it on, you have to start panning to me. Oh, this is why I needed the laptop so we know how much time we have. Okay, ready? Oh.
Really slow.
Damn. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Okay, and she takes forever to laugh. The last sauce not in it, is it? No? Okay. So yeah, I like the second one. I love how close you are with the star. Only thing, when you pan up, go up and like point down at me a little bit. Okay, I think I could pick one out of all these. Okay, I think we got the shot. We're gonna figure it out. I'm gonna go back and watch a bunch of them, but I think we got it. Some editing to do. I'm finished recording the intro. I've now changed back into my actual pajamas that I'm actually gonna be sleeping in. And I'm about to upload all the clips from the camera onto my computer and go through all of the takes that we took and see which one is gonna end up being the intro. You guys will see the intro in this video though. I'm going to put it at the end, so I'll show you guys the final product at the end. So hopefully it turns out good. I tried to do something simple and not do too much, but I think it's gonna come out cute. Since this is Vlogmas Day 1, I still have 24 more videos to go. So if you're following along for my Vlogmas videos, feel free to comment under any video at any time some Vlogmas ideas or some things you'd want to see in some of my Vlogmas videos. It'll be greatly appreciated. I think coming up with 25 video ideas, I was about to say, was the hardest part of this whole thing, but I haven't actually done it yet. So I'm pretty sure that constant filming and uploading is definitely gonna be difficult as well. So let me not speak too soon. But anyways, let's go through these videos real quick and see how the intro turns out. I just finished uploading all the clips onto my computer, so we're just gonna go through them real quick. These guys are loud. This is the sound that we're using for the intro. That's the intro song. I'm just gonna be listening to that over and over and over again until I find which one I really like. So I don't think you guys want to hear this. Okay, we're wiping off the makeup. It is 11:30. Still trying to work on this intro, and we've run into a slight dilemma. The sound that I'm using for my intro song, the little "it's time," the audio has like crackling. Oh, my light died. The audio has like crackling of the glass breaking. You know, she's frozen in the little ice cube, it shatters, so it has like the glass shattering sound in the background, which I don't want. I don't know, I didn't think this through. It's now 12:11, but I just finished editing the Vlogmas intro. That literally took so long, and it's literally a less than 8-second long clip. I think I'm finally happy with it, and I'm so excited. As you can see, I cannot want to smile off my face. Anyways, I am about to insert the intro here. I hope you guys like it. Definitely comment down below, let me know what you think. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm actually excited for Vlogmas. I'm so excited for you guys to see my room, which you guys will see tomorrow, so stay tuned. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and TikTok to get triple the content from me. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with Vlogmas Day 2. Bye! It's time!